Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Live on iPhone. First, you'll need to download the Google Gemini app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. This ensures you have access to all the features, including the live conversational mode. Make sure your iPhone software is updated for optimal performance and compatibility with the latest app version. This setup is crucial for a smooth experience. To activate Gemini Live, simply open the Gemini app on your iPhone. Look for the microphone icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tapping this icon will switch the app into its live conversational mode. If it's your first time, your iPhone might ask for permission to access your microphone. Please grant this for the feature to work. Now you're ready to speak naturally and interact with Gemini in real time. Once in live mode, just start speaking to Gemini as you would to a person. Ask questions, request information, or give commands. Gemini will process your speech and respond verbally, providing answers or completing tasks. Don't hesitate to interrupt if you need to clarify something or change your request. This interactive, back-and-forth conversation is what makes Gemini Live so powerful and intuitive for daily use. For the best experience with Gemini Live, try to use it in a quiet environment. This helps the app accurately understand your speech, minimizing any misunderstandings. Experiment with different types of queries. Gemini can assist with a wide range of tasks, from answering factual questions to helping you brainstorm ideas or even setting reminders. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some great deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks. Enjoy exploring all that Gemini Live has to offer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.